Well, it's not quite a year, but we're 10.5 months. And we're going to go take a look at how the banyan tree is growing. It's looking pretty big, if you ask me. Look at this. That's pretty big. Hi there, Charlie Cushane here. I'm here to give you an update on my banyan tree. It's only 10.5 months old, but it's over 8 feet tall. And not only that, it's starting to really branch out with branches all over the place and lots of new growth. It used to be just a slender stalk, but now it's really blossoming into a tree, and there's lots of new leaves. The most surprising part is most of this new growth is happening during the winter season, which you would think it would be dormant. As you can see here on the back side, I've had to put a metal stake in the ground and tie off the banyan tree because it started growing not just straight up, but it was growing toward the south, toward the sun, and was leaning. So I'm trying to sort of straighten it out as it grows. I hope that's the right thing to do. We're heading north for the summer now, and I'm expecting this banyan tree to really explode through the hot, warm summer months when it does the bulk of its growing. Something interesting is happening at the bottom here. It looks like there's some kind of root, or I don't think it's a branch, growing out of the bottom. We'll see where it goes. Here I am for perspective next to the banyan tree, and I'm 6 feet tall. And it's wider and taller than me.